Here's my to-do list. Step 1, go to California. Step 2, go to Nickelodeon Studios. Step 3, destroy Blue's Clues. Step 7, draw Naga. Look. Huh. Never thought I'd get to that on the list. I was supposed to say I was supposed to do the other steps first. But I'll do it that later. Right now, I'm gonna draw Naga for you guys. As we all remember by now, Naga is the evil Bakugan seen from the center of Historia after he destroyed it. As we all know that Naga is the leader of the evil clan who's trying to destroy Earth and Vestroia. And basically, these Bakugan battle brawlers, the brawlers that he has under his wing are Masquerade, which was actually Alice in disguise as an attempt to get her grandfather back under control. And there's also Hal G, his partner. And also for another thing, seeing these Bakugan, he has an army of evil Bakugan. There was Fortress, Cyranoid, Cycloid, Harpus, Tentaclear, but they were evil until they changed their ways. Same went for Hydronoid. Anyways, Masquerade was an evil servant for Naga. He even used the Doom card for him. And anyways, Hal G became... Naga took over Alice's grandfather, transforming him into Hal G. But I don't know when we're gonna see Hal G again, but maybe he'll have a body of his own. One without possessing somebody. But, anyways, let's continue drawing this guy, shall we? Oh yeah, I forgot to show you what he looks like in ball form. Let me just show you this. Basically, this isn't even Naga's true form. It's just the ultimate Dragonoid, just repainted to look like Naga. As we all know by now, Naga is a video game exclusive Bakugan, which I was happy to get. And you can still order him on eBay. You should have seen what he looked like in the show. He looked a lot better and a lot badass than before. And, well, seeing this guy in action, he's definitely worth something to draw, am I right? He even had an evolved form called Silent Naga, when he absorbed the power of the Silent Core into his body. But unfortunately for Naga, he was destroyed and defeated by Infinity Drago, and the Silent Core and the Infinity Core was made one. It's like, it's like Naga went inside, Drago's body or something. I don't know when we're gonna see Naga again. Maybe during the reboot, perhaps? If they ever came up with an episode for Bakugan Armored Alliance or something. But, I was a huge fan of Bakugan in the past. And maybe I'll be able to create a reboot version of Bakugan one of these days. In the meantime, why don't we finish drawing this guy, shall we? And Alexa, play it again, please. Hold on. Alexa, play it again. Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
Sorry, I just hate it when she does that. There we go. Oh yeah, I also have other options for them. I also have another thing to do on the list. It includes destroying all the equipment for Blue's Clues, and that was step 5, and this step 6 would be to delete all Blue's Clues data. Even if it means going into libraries and sneaking in and throwing away all their DVDs on Blue's Clues. And I'm not even gonna remind you about step 4. If I told you about step 4, the cops might come and arrest me. Because I don't want that happening to us. Gotta have my share of secrets, you know? Hey, Goku Black, remember that time that when I was drawing you in your grade 8 form, I was playing Dora the Explorer? Well, scratch that, I'm playing this song for Naga. Guess you weren't so lucky, huh? I'm almost done, Mom. There we go, there's his wing here. Now let's continue drawing him. Oh yeah, for all you cartoonists out there, I'm suggesting that maybe that drawing Bakugan would not be a bad idea for your shows. What do you think, cartooning for kids and kids draw? Wouldn't that be something to see and do? Okay. Oh yeah. And another fact about Naga, he has a paladin army. There's his body. Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
Now we just draw this part here. There we go. Naga's leg here. Oh yeah, forgot to draw this spike on his head. Can't forget about this. Okay. Naga is spelled N-A-G-A. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. Alexa, play Big Night.
Big Night by Big Time Rush.
Now we just draw the wings here.
Amazon Music.
Oh, it's gonna be a big night. We're gonna have a good time. It's gonna be a big
Now we just draw the holes here.
night. 1, 2, 3, all my boys and girls, we're gonna party like you see the end of the world. Let's get it started.
There we go.
Started. Whoa, whoa. Waiting all weekend, it's Friday night. We gotta get dressed up for the time of our lives. Let's get it started. 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 Cause I've been feeling down, down, down. I need to pick me up round, round, round. I wanna spin it up loud, loud, loud. DJ, take me away. It's gonna be a big night. We're gonna have a good time.
There we go.
It's gonna be a big night. Oh, it's gonna be a big night. We're gonna have a good time. It's gonna be a big night. It's been a long week, been working overtime. I need a heartbeat to get this party right. I'm on another level, turn up the bass and treble. Turn it up, turn it up, turn it up. Cause I've been feeling down, down, down. I need to pick me up round, round.
There we go. Now we just draw, there's this tight tail here.
DJ, take me away.
Now we just draw the spikes. And done. That's how you draw a Naga. Pretty impressive, don't you think, guys? Man, this guy looks really awesome in real life. Anyways, I'll be upstairs. You can meet me. Anyways, that's how you draw a Naga. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll let you guys know what awesome character I'll draw you guys next. See you soon.